guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you this bold lip makeup tutorial. So I'm starting off with my bare face, although I have done my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to start off using the Benefit Professional Face Primer, and I'm actually going to use a brush to apply this, guys, just so I can see how it feels and see if I like it or not. And actually I did. It just, it just went on so smoothly, and yeah, so I might start using a brush to apply my primer. And then I'm just going to color correct using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. And then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I'm just going to blend this all over my face using my Real Techniques blending brush to do so. To highlight, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Maple, and I'm just going to use this to brighten up the areas of my face which I want to brighten. So I'm just going to put this on my forehead, bridge of my nose, under my eyes, around my lips, and on my chin. And then I'm using my Real Techniques brush. I don't know the name of this brush, guys, sorry, but I'm using this to blend out my highlight. And then to set my concealer, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to go over the areas that I highlighted to set them in place. And then I'm using the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer. This is in the shade Mocha Mami. And if you have watched my previous videos, you know that I hardly do contour. I prefer to just bronze it out and we're good to go. So I'm using this to bronze. And then I'm going to go over the setting powder using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus foundation. And also guys, I have done just a little bit of eyeshadow, but you know, it was just literally a quick 2-second application. I didn't think it was worth filming that. So yeah. So I'm going over all the areas just to set them in place with the MAC powder. And then I'm using the Mascara Revolution for my lashes. And I'm also going to do my eyeliner with the Makeup Revolution eyeliner. I'm just going to line my lower waterline. And after this, I do go ahead and put on some lashes off camera. And now I'm into the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, which again is one of my favorites. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of a glow. And onto the lips, I'm using my staple, which is the MAC Chestnut lip liner, and I'm just using this to line my lips. And then I'm using this Makeup Academy Velvet Lip Lacquer, and I will list the shade of this in the description box because I have forgotten the name of the shade, but it's kind of this burgundy color, which is nice actually. I'm not normally one for a bold lip, but I think I kind of like this one, so yeah. So that's what I'm using. And then I'm using the MAC Prep Plus Prime to set my face. So I added some clear lip gloss. This is from Boots, just to, you know, gloss it up a little bit, and I think I actually liked how it turned out much better. So yeah, that's the completed look, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.